You know that deep, unfixable exhaustion? Like the kind where literally no amount of coffee or sleep seems to make a dent in your day? Well, if you've ever felt that, you are definitely not alone. In today's Explainer, we're exploring why that stubborn sluggishness isn't just a lack of rest, but actually might be a lack of cellular fuel. We're looking at clinical data from Prime IV Hydration and Wellness, which points to a very specific biological mechanism and a molecular solution.
Okay, let's dive into this. We're going to take a sort of zoom in, zoom out journey today. Our agenda covers 1. The root of exhaustion, 2. The NAD+ connection, 3. The guardians of the genome, 4. The bioavailability bottleneck, and 5. The IV therapy experience.
Section 1. The root of exhaustion.
So let's start with the big picture. We're talking about chronic fatigue, that heavy brain fog, and a persistent sluggishness that just hangs around no matter what you do. You know, standard fixes like an extra espresso shot or a really long nap often fail totally, simply because they don't address the underlying issue. The clinic's approach suggests this unshakable fatigue is actually due to a fundamental depletion of raw cellular fuel. It's not about forcing your nervous system into overdrive with stimulants. It's about the fact that your cells are literally starving for energy.
Section 2. The NAD+ connection.
To understand this energy drain, we need to zoom in and meet the biological culprit, or rather the star of the show, NAD+, which stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. It's a vital coenzyme found in every single living cell. Basically, think of it as a cellular shuttle. Your mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells, they rely entirely on NAD+ to convert the food you eat into ATP. And ATP is the actual energy currency your body uses for everything. Everything from a simple heartbeat to a highly complex, demanding thought. Now, get ready, because here is a single, jarring statistic drawn straight from the research. 50%. By the time most people reach their mid-40s, their natural NAD+ levels drop to less than half of what they were in their 20s. This biological decline is happening to all of us, quietly draining our natural energy reserves.
So, the crucial point here is how this natural decline sets off a massive chain reaction. When your NAD+ drops, mitochondrial function declines. That leads directly to a drop in ATP production. And the result? A cascade of physical symptoms. We're talking persistent physical exhaustion, a much slower recovery time after you work out, and reduced cognitive clarity. The source notes that the human brain consumes about 20% of the body's energy, so when ATP drops, brain fog is actually one of the very first things you experience.
Section 3. Guardians of the genome.
This brings us to our cellular defense mechanisms and the clinic's proposed molecular solution. Meet the sirtuins. These are a family of proteins that act kind of like your cellular managers. They regulate health, keep systemic inflammation in check, and most impressively, actively scan and repair damaged DNA. Researchers often refer to them as the guardians of the genome because they're working tirelessly to keep our cells youthful and functional against everyday environmental stress.
But here's the biological catch. These guardians are entirely dependent on NAD+. Sirtuins absolutely require a steady, abundant supply of NAD+ to activate and actually perform that DNA repair. If your NAD+ levels are depleted, like we saw with that 50% drop, these incredible protective proteins essentially just remain dormant. To address this depletion, the clinic utilizes a specific compound called Niagen. So Niagen is a patented, highly efficient NAD+ precursor. Its scientific name is nicotinamide riboside. Essentially, it provides the exact raw building blocks your body needs to synthesize its own cellular energy and get those dormant sirtuins back online.
And this brilliantly illustrates why this specific precursor is so efficient. It's all about size. Standard NAD+ molecules are quite large, making it difficult for them to easily cross into certain cells. Niagen, however, is a much smaller molecule. Because of this, it slips through those cellular barriers with ease, rapidly synthesizing NAD+ right inside the cell. It totally bypasses metabolic bottlenecks and immediately jumpstarts your mitochondrial engines.
Section 4. The bioavailability bottleneck. To really understand the clinic's approach, we need to define a term, bioavailability. This is the exact proportion of a consumed nutrient that actually enters your systemic circulation to have an active effect on your body. Simply put, it's not about the dosage you swallow, it's about what your cells actually get to use.
Let's compare the delivery methods they outline. With standard oral supplements, pills have to survive this crazy obstacle course.
the harsh stomach acid, and then passing through the liver's filtration system. This process actually destroys a large portion of the active ingredients. The clinic argues that IV drip therapy bypasses this entire digestive bottleneck, offering direct bloodstream access and aiming for 100% systemic saturation without any degradation.
Walk with me through this hard data, comparing how the body processes these systems. Notice that oral supplements only offer 20 to 30% bioavailability, taking weeks or even months to really show benefits. Contrast that with a standard NAD+ IV. That hits 100% bioavailability, sure, but its large molecule size means the cellular uptake is slow. It's ideal for deep repair over days. Niagen IV therapy, however, combines that 100% bioavailability with rapid cellular uptake because of its small molecule size. This offers an almost immediate onset of benefits for fast energy and focus.
The text sums up their entire philosophy with this core claim. By delivering vitamins and minerals directly into the veins, the body can absorb nearly 100% of the beneficial ingredients immediately. And this explains why medical professionals at these wellness clinics prioritize intravenous delivery so highly. They are aiming for absolute maximum efficacy and minimal nutrient waste.
Section 5. The IV therapy experience.
So zoom out with me. Who is actually turning to this biohacking technique? Well, according to the source material, which focuses heavily on the fast-paced Northern Virginia area, the demographic is surprisingly wide. It includes local executives needing stamina for high-stakes meetings, athletes needing to recover fast from long runs on the W&OD trail, older adults focusing on healthy aging and mobility, and individuals who are generally just seeking to support a sluggish metabolism.
Let's look at how this translates into the practical experience a patient actually undergoes. The clinic outlines a highly customized, pretty straightforward process. Step 1, there's a thorough health consultation and medical history review. Step 2, a 45 to 60-minute medically supervised infusion while you just relax in a luxury chair. And Step 3, the patient receives immediate systemic hydration, with many people reporting a distinct feeling of revitalization before they even walk out the door.
Now, from a safety perspective, because the compound is water-soluble and naturally utilized by the body, any excess is safely excreted through the kidneys. The source notes that patients generally tolerate the treatment really well. They occasionally report feeling a temporary, mild warmth, or maybe a slight flushing sensation during the drip itself, but that's about it.
Which brings us to our final thought for today. Based on all the cellular biology we've just explored, it leaves us with a highly provocative question about how we actually manage our health. Are you treating the symptom, or are you fueling the cell? It's a fascinating challenge, right? To rethink our approach to chronic fatigue, move past those temporary synthetic stimulants, and really consider the raw molecular resources our bodies actually need to thrive.